This is probably one of the easiest strategies to make money online. Thanks to this site we've never talked about before, you will be able to make money on complete autopilot. This is probably one of the best affiliate marketing programs for beginners. I will share with you the strategy, how much money you could make, and some exclusive tips to double up your earnings, so make sure to stay till the end to learn all about it. With that being said, let's jump straight into it. I want you to go to Zotrim.com, which is a marketplace for weight loss products. You can scroll down to read more on this page and see the details of what they are selling. But how are we going to make money on this platform? Well, that's simple. We will make money here by promoting the same products on other platforms. Weight loss is a popular niche as everybody's looking for reliable tips to lose weight, especially during and after the pandemic. Before I tell you how much money you could make on this website, I want you to scroll down until you get to this section, then hit Affiliate Marketing. You will then be directed to this page where all the details are listed. You can find some information about the product you will be promoting. We can see that the products are backed by clinical studies and expert-approved papers, and they reduce hunger and improve energy. And here comes the important part. You can see the advantages of this affiliate marketing program. It provides fast and reliable worldwide shipping, which means that you can market your product everywhere. We all know that some affiliate marketing programs work only in some countries. This one works in all territories around the world. So no need to set up a VPN connection or change your IP address to join this program. We can also see that we won't be selling one product only, and there is a wide range of products we can market, and the best part about this program is the live chat support it offers to marketers, which is amazing, as you will always have a question or two, and we all hate those email support services who reply to our messages after a year or two. Anyways, how much money can you make on this website? Alright, let's scroll a bit up and you can see you can make up to $40 per sale. That's a decent amount of money. Imagine if you sell 10 or 100 products, which is extremely possible if you follow the steps I will be sharing with you at the end of this video. That's around $4,000 profit, and you don't have to store or ship anything. Just get it sold and collect your earnings. Sounds good? Wait, we're only getting to the best part about this affiliate program. If you scroll down here, you will be able to check the average sales price of a product, which as you can see, $60. And the conversion rate is also listed here. Now for those of you who don't know, the conversion rate is the number of sales divided by the total number of visitors. So if 100 people visited a sales page, and 30 of them made a purchase, the conversion rate would be 30%. Now check out the conversion rate here. It's almost 22%. That may not seem like a lot, but it's insanely high. As you can see here, the average conversion rate on Amazon.com is less than 10%. This is probably one of the best affiliate marketing programs for beginners. This means that these products are so attractive that they sell themselves, as my father says. Now, we know everything about this program. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Now let me show you some traffic sources where you'll be reaching hundreds of thousands of people, not just dozens of them. So you'll be able to make a lot of money online on autopilot. And make sure you stick around to learn all about this strategy. But before that, let's learn how to create an account. You should click right here. This will take you over to a different website, and it's here where you will sign up. All you need to do is click on I'm an affiliate. To join this affiliate program, you just need to enter in your first and last name, email address, your password, and that's it. No need to answer an endless list of questions just to be able to join their program. You can just complete this form and then click on Join Here to finish the process. Once connected, grab your affiliate link and follow me as I am sharing with you how to get new customers. Before we continue, if this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. We spend a lot of time looking for the best strategies that you can use to start making money online. If you enjoy these topics, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. It means the world to us. The first traffic source I'd recommend is a site called FindAForum. No need to explain what this platform does. You can find a bunch of different forums in any niche you can think of. As we are looking for ways to promote a weight loss product, you want to click on categories here, and then select diet and weight loss. You will now be able to see all these forums where you can promote the products. All of them have hundreds of thousands of members, so the high-quality traffic is there. And every one of those forum members are interested in weight loss, meaning that the conversion rate should be high, if you properly describe the product and make it appealing enough. Remember to understand the terms and rules of each one of these forums to avoid being banned by the moderators. The second source of traffic, and my favorite one, is Quora.com. For those of you who don't know, this is a site where people can ask questions and get answers from the other members. The main reason we want to use Quora is simple, because it's popular and it ranks well on Google. So when someone searches on Google for tips to lose weight, there's a high chance Quora will be one of the first sites to pop up. You just need to join the communities that discuss weight loss topics and promote your affiliate link. Don't do it aggressively, as people hate that. Try to provide some value and share your affiliate link for those who are looking for more details. You can prepare a script that contains some tips on how to lose weight and attach your affiliate link. But remember that every question is different, so make sure to provide a customized answer, so you won't be perceived as a scammer and get banned. And this is it for today's videos. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video is released. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.